Here in Yellowstone, over 4 million visitors are coming to the park each year from all corners of the nation and all over the world to enjoy the unique scenery here, the incredible wildlife. The park has almost 800 employees during the high season. These employees need housing.
We have about 70 single-wide mobile homes that we use for seasonal housing. Some of those trailers, if you will, are 40 years old. With a harsh environment in a place like Yellowstone, it deteriorates. You have flat roofs that sustain a snow load that cause leaking. The flooring is coming up. The walls is not what I would consider code construction. It's timely to recognize that places like Yellowstone are in need of a boost in funding and attention. This deferred maintenance backlog, it's real.